There's never been a better time to start trading. With more people staying at home, looking for ways to earn an income, now is a great time to take advantage of the massive opportunities presented in today's financial markets. That's why Omega Pro is here, with more than 2 years track record, providing simple solutions that enable you to benefit from the Forex market with trading options from top traders that deliver aggressive results with low risks. Omega Pro also features an impressive dashboard that allows users to keep track of their accounts and monitor their growth over time. Omega Pro is already operating in more than 100 countries, delivering a secure, world-class trading experience to all our clients. Members will also receive access to Omega Pro's unique ecosystem, including OMP banking system, giving the possibility for their members to open a UK bank account and order a MasterCard that gives them a direct access to their money. Omega Pro works only with the top brokers in the United Kingdom to ensure reliability and results for all their members and traders. We have the tools for you who is tired of losing your money or don't have the time to trade yourself and want to leave it to the experts. We have the expertise to make you succeed in your trading venture. It hasn't been easier to have access to world-class traders that will grow your assets for you. Do you want to get involved in the world of Forex trading and grow your money? Sign up for Omega Pro today and start trading with the professionals.